Hi, and welcome to Lutze's video series.
Hey, my name is Chris Keller.
And I'm Matt Tarney. We're product market managers for Lutze's cable and connectivity. Today we're here to talk about Lutze's custom servo cable assemblies.
Lutze offers a variety of system-specific servo cable assemblies. These provide power and feedback connections between your servo drive and your servo motor.
Lutze's servo assemblies are fully system compatible. We use the original OEM motor connector, and in addition, we prep the drive-end leads according to each manufacturer's specification. Lutze offers servo assemblies for both flexible and high flexing applications.
As Lutze has over 50 years of experience in manufacturing cable, our cable assemblies provide mechanical and electrical advantages. They improve performance and allow more flexibility for your machine design.
Lutze offers servo assemblies in power, feedback, and single cable designs. Our servo assemblies are made in a UL wiring harness approved facility, and every single assembly is tested for conductor conductivity, pin-out correctness, and compatibility with your system.
That's correct. No batch testing with Lutze, 100% quality control. As an added service, we also offer our servo cable assemblies in a variety of standard length. This helps you to avoid excess cable length that end up coiled up in your control cabinet or around your machine.
Having your servo assemblies at the length you need means no more having to cut off the factory-prepared end and field prep.
When it comes to performance on your motion control equipment and machinery, Lutze is your ultimate partner. Controlling the complete manufacturing process from the bulk cable to the final cable assembly provides you with highest quality and reliability.
Thank you for watching our video today. For more information on our servo assemblies or other products, please visit www.lutze.com, watch our other videos on YouTube, or contact your local Lutze representative.